Hindi naman. Yes, you write the word. Come on, write the word. And then you write the opposite.
A.
Come on.
B.
Write the word go. Come on.
C.
You write it here, Yaj. Oh, go. Go. Very good. Or what is the opposite of go? Oh, you write the word stop here. Yes. T. Oh. Very good. This one here. Can you write far? Oops, sumutot. Ay, ang laki naman ng far na yan. Huwag naman ganyan. Oh, what is the opposite of far?
Near.
Can you spell near? Wow. Wow. Okay, how about the word, what else? Wet. What is that word?
Wet.
What is the opposite of wet?
Dry.
Can you spell dry? D R. What's next? Ay, bakit patong-patong na yan? Okay. Can you spell the word? Dito. Ano mo kasi agad eh. Can you spell the word? What else? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?
Well, hello.
Hello. Sige. Write the word hello. Hello. Okay. What is the opposite of hello?
Goodbye. No. No spelling goodbye.
Why? Why don't you try to spell goodbye? Come on, good. Come on, write the word good. Come on. Dito mo na lang write, oh, goodbye. Dito, para magkasya. Good. Ayusin mo naman yan. What is that? What letter is this?
P.
Oh, is that correct?
No.
No. Okay, you remove the P. You change it into letter
P.
Oh, letter. Very good. Goodbye. How will you write the word bye? B. I. What is next? Very good. Goodbye. Very good. See, you can do it. Goodbye. O, remove mo to, pangit. There you go. Goodbye is the opposite of
Hello.
hello. Very good.